Did you know that forensic accounting uncovered $6.3 billion in fraud in the United States alone in 2020? An eye-opening fact, isn't it? Forensic accounting, a niche within the broader field of accounting, is a bit like a detective novel come to life. It involves the use of accounting skills to investigate potential fraud or embezzlement and to analyze financial information for use in legal proceedings. Now you might be wondering, how does this relate to our economy? Well, it's simple. Forensic accounting helps maintain financial transparency. It digs out the hidden truths in financial records, uncovering fraud, and ensuring that companies, big or small, stay honest. This transparency is essential for the healthy functioning of our economy. When businesses play by the rules, it promotes fair competition. When there's fair competition, innovation flourishes and economies grow. It's a ripple effect. And that's where forensic accountants come in. They're the gatekeepers, ensuring that everyone's playing by the rules. But it's not just about keeping businesses in check. Forensic accountants also play a significant role in combating economic crimes like money laundering and tax evasion. These crimes, if left unchecked, can undermine the stability of our financial systems and hinder economic growth. In 2020, for example, forensic accountants helped reveal a massive tax evasion scheme in Canada, resulting in the recovery of millions of dollars. That's money that can now be invested back into the economy, promoting growth and prosperity. So you see, forensic accounting isn't just about numbers and balance sheets. It's about ensuring the integrity of our financial systems. It's about promoting an environment where businesses can thrive, economies can grow, and prosperity can be shared by all. Forensic accountants are the unsung heroes of the financial world, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that the economic stage is set for fair play. By uncovering fraud and promoting transparency, they play a crucial role in fostering economic growth and stability. Forensic accounting plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of financial systems and promoting economic growth. So next time you hear about a major fraud case being busted wide open, remember there's likely a forensic accountant behind the scenes making it all possible. In Nigeria, forensic accounting has been a game changer in the fight against corruption. This statement might sound bold, but let's delve into the details to understand its veracity. Nigeria, Africa's largest economy, has been wrestling with the specter of corruption and financial crimes for decades. The lack of transparency, coupled with complex financial transactions, has often made it a challenging task for the authorities to tackle these issues head-on. But, as the saying goes, every problem has a solution. Enter forensic accounting, a field that blends investigative skills with financial acumen. In the Nigerian context, forensic accountants have become the frontline soldiers in the battle against corruption. They dissect financial records, sniff out discrepancies, and follow the money trail, often leading to the unmasking of financial fraudsters. To illustrate the impact of forensic accounting in Nigeria, let's consider a case study: the infamous pension scam of 2012. This scandal involved high-ranking officials siphoning off billions of naira from the pension funds of unsuspecting civil servants. It was a classic case of corruption, where the perpetrators had thought they had covered their tracks well. But they hadn't reckoned with the power of forensic accounting. Forensic accountants were called in to scrutinize the financial records. Using their unique set of skills, they were able to uncover the fraudulent transactions, trace the money trail, and expose the culprits. The result? Recovered funds, justice for the victims, and a stern message to potential fraudsters that financial crimes would not go unpunished. The pension scam case is just one example. There are numerous instances where forensic accounting has played a pivotal role in unearthing financial frauds in Nigeria, leading to the recovery of stolen funds and the prosecution of the culprits. But forensic accounting has not just been about catching the bad guys. It has also contributed to Nigeria's economic growth. By uncovering financial frauds, forensic accountants help recover stolen funds, which can then be channeled back into the economy for development projects. Moreover, the deterrent effect of forensic accounting reduces the incidence of corruption, leading to a more transparent and efficient economic environment. Think about it this way: every naira recovered through the efforts of forensic accountants is a naira that can be invested in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and other sectors that drive economic growth. It's a ripple effect that starts with the diligent work of forensic accountants and extends to the entire Nigerian economy. Moreover,
The growing demand for forensic accountants is creating job opportunities, contributing to the reduction of unemployment rates. This, in turn, fuels consumer spending, stimulates economic activity, and ultimately drives economic growth. The role of forensic accounting in Nigeria's economic growth cannot be overstated. It's not just about catching financial criminals, it's about creating a fair, transparent, and corruption-free environment that fosters economic growth and development. And that, in essence, is the Nigerian perspective on forensic accounting.
In the United Kingdom, forensic accounting has been instrumental in maintaining high standards of financial transparency. The UK has long been a global pioneer in the field of financial regulation and oversight, and forensic accounting has been a key part of this. Forensic accounting in the UK is not just about uncovering fraud or corruption, it's about providing a clear, accurate view of a company's financial health. This transparency is crucial for investors, creditors, and the public. It helps create a sense of trust and stability, which in turn promotes economic growth. The UK has been leveraging forensic accounting in innovative ways to maintain this transparency. For instance, the Serious Fraud Office, SFO, a government department, employs a team of forensic accountants to investigate and prosecute serious or complex fraud and corruption. These forensic investigators play a crucial role in uncovering financial irregularities and ensuring accountability. To illustrate the impact of forensic accounting in the UK, let's take a look at a case study, the investigation into the financial dealings of a large multinational corporation. In this case, the forensic accountants were able to identify discrepancies in the company's financial statements that had been overlooked by others. Their meticulous analysis revealed a complex web of fraudulent activities, which had been carefully hidden behind layers of legitimate transactions. The forensic accountants were able to trace the funds, identify the individuals involved, and ultimately provide the evidence needed to bring those responsible to justice. This case not only resulted in significant financial recovery, but also sent a clear message to other potential fraudsters. The UK is not a safe haven for financial fraud, but the benefits of forensic accounting go beyond the courtroom. The insights gained from these investigations can also inform policy decisions and regulatory changes. This proactive approach helps to prevent future fraud and promotes a culture of transparency and accountability. Moreover, the confidence inspired by this level of financial transparency can stimulate economic growth. When investors and creditors have a clear understanding of a company's financial health, they're more likely to invest or lend money. This influx of capital can then be used to fund expansion, research and development, and other activities that drive economic growth. In the UK, forensic accounting has also been used to uncover tax evasion, a significant obstacle to economic growth. By ensuring that all entities pay their fair share of taxes, the government can collect more revenue, which can then be reinvested into the economy. The UK's approach to forensic accounting demonstrates how this discipline can be a powerful tool for promoting transparency, preventing fraud, and stimulating economic growth. It's a model that other countries could potentially learn from as they seek to strengthen their own financial systems and economies. Forensic accounting has undoubtedly contributed to the UK's robust economic growth. It serves as a beacon of transparency, illuminating the path towards a more accountable and prosperous future. The United States, as one of the world's largest economies, has seen tremendous benefits from forensic accounting. Forensic accounting is not just a tool for uncovering fraud and financial malfeasance, it's a catalyst for economic growth and stability. In the United States, the application of forensic accounting has been instrumental in maintaining the integrity of financial systems, thereby fostering an environment conducive to economic expansion. Let's take a closer look at how forensic accounting promotes economic growth through the lens of a case study, the infamous Enron scandal of 2001. Enron, a multi-billion-dollar energy corporation, was involved in one of the largest bankruptcy cases in U.S. history. The company's downfall was largely due to intricate accounting fraud, which was eventually unearthed by forensic accountants. The Enron scandal shook the business world to its core, highlighting the importance of transparency in financial reporting. In the wake of this scandal, there was a surge in demand for forensic accountants. Businesses began to prioritize financial transparency and accuracy, understanding that these values are crucial for their survival and growth. This shift in business practices led to the creation of thousands of jobs in the field of forensic accounting. As more businesses sought the expertise of forensic accountants, the U.S. economy benefited from the increased employment rate and the resultant boost in consumer spending. Moreover, the work of forensic accountants in uncovering and preventing fraud has saved businesses in the United States billions of dollars. These savings have been reinvested into the economy, leading to further growth and development. Forensic accounting has also played a pivotal role in restoring investor confidence. Following the Enron scandal, many investors were understandably wary. The transparency that forensic accounting brings to financial transactions and reporting has helped to rebuild trust. This renewed confidence has encouraged more investment in U.S. businesses, stimulating economic growth. Furthermore, forensic accountants have been instrumental in shaping financial regulations and policies. Their insights into the mechanisms of financial fraud have informed the creation of stricter regulations to protect businesses and investors. These regulations have helped to create a more stable economic environment, conducive to sustained growth. In conclusion, the role of forensic accounting in promoting economic growth cannot be overstated. By ensuring transparency, preventing fraud, creating jobs, and shaping financial policies, forensic accountants have proved to be invaluable assets to the United States economy. Forensic accounting is not just about catching the bad guys. It's about creating an economic environment where businesses can thrive and where investors can have confidence in the integrity of their investments. It's about fostering a culture of transparency and accountability, which is fundamental to economic growth and stability. Forensic accounting has significantly contributed to the economic growth of the United States. In Canada, forensic accounting has played a key role in ensuring economic stability. As a nation renowned for its strong and robust financial system, Canada has harnessed the power of forensic accounting to maintain economic stability and drive growth. But how exactly does forensic accounting operate in the Canadian context, and what kind of impact does it really have on the economy? Let's delve in. Forensic accounting is often likened to a shield, protecting the economy from the harmful effects of financial fraud and corruption. This specialized form of accounting involves the use of financial expertise and investigative skills to uncover fraudulent activities, ensuring transparency and integrity in financial transactions. In Canada, forensic accounting is woven into the fabric of the financial system, playing a pivotal role in both the private and public sectors. In the corporate world, forensic accountants are often called upon to investigate instances of suspected internal fraud, thereby safeguarding the interests of shareholders and contributing to the overall health of the corporate sector. But the impact of forensic accounting in Canada extends beyond the corporate sphere. The public sector, too, has seen the benefits of this specialized discipline. Forensic accountants have been instrumental in uncovering instances of financial mismanagement and corruption within government bodies, ensuring that public funds are used effectively and for their intended purposes. Let's take a closer look at a specific case to illustrate the impact of forensic accounting in Canada. A few years back, a major Canadian corporation found itself embroiled in a scandal involving high-level executives and millions of dollars in misappropriated funds. The corporation enlisted the help of forensic accountants, who painstakingly analyzed financial records and transactions, eventually uncovering the extent of the fraud. This case not only led to the recovery of the misappropriated funds, but also resulted in significant changes in the corporation's internal control structures. The forensic accountants' work led to the implementation of more rigorous checks and balances, ultimately enhancing the corporation's financial integrity. The ripple effects of this case were felt throughout the Canadian economy. It served as a stark reminder of the importance of financial transparency and accountability, reinforcing the need for strong internal controls within corporations. The case also underscored the vital role that forensic accountants play in maintaining the integrity of the financial system, thereby contributing to Canada's economic stability and growth. In the end, the impact of forensic accounting in Canada is multidimensional. It helps to maintain the integrity of the financial system, promotes economic stability, and contributes to economic growth by ensuring that funds are used efficiently and effectively. It also serves as a deterrent to financial fraud, thereby fostering an environment of transparency and accountability. Forensic accounting has been a critical tool in promoting Canada's economic growth. It's not just about numbers and spreadsheets, it's about ensuring the health and vitality of the Canadian economy. Next time you hear about forensic accounting, remember, it's the unseen hero behind Canada's economic stability. The impact of forensic accounting is not limited to these 4 countries. Indeed, its far-reaching effects ripple across the globe, acting as a powerful catalyst for economic growth. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil landscapes of New Zealand, forensic accounting is a universal tool that brings transparency, fairness, and economic prosperity. As we delve deeper into the global economy, it becomes evident that forensic accounting is not just a strategy, it's a necessity. It's a beacon of hope in the fight against corruption, fraud, and economic disparity. It promotes an environment where businesses thrive, economies flourish, and societies prosper. The need for more countries to adopt forensic accounting practices cannot be overstressed. It's not just about catching the bad guys, it's about fostering a culture of integrity and accountability. It's about building robust economies and resilient societies. In conclusion, forensic accounting's influence extends beyond boundaries and across continents. Forensic accounting indeed is a global solution to a global problem. Forensic accounting has proven to be a powerful tool in promoting economic growth. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered in this enlightening journey, exploring the profound impact of forensic accounting on 4 diverse economies: Nigeria, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. We began our exploration with Nigeria, a country that has seen significant strides in economic development, thanks in large part to the diligent work of forensic accountants. By identifying and mitigating financial fraud, these professionals have played a vital role in restoring confidence in Nigeria's economic landscape, contributing to a healthier, more robust economy. Next, we shifted our gaze to the United Kingdom. A beacon of transparency, the UK has long embraced the power of forensic accounting. The meticulous scrutiny of financial records has not only deterred fraudulent activities, but also fostered an environment of trust and reliability, encouraging both domestic and foreign investments. Our journey then took us across the Atlantic to the United States, where forensic accounting has been instrumental in maintaining the integrity of its vast and complex economy. Through the detection and prevention of financial malfeasance, it has helped safeguard the economic well-being of one of the world's most powerful nations. Finally, we ventured north to Canada, where the impact of forensic accounting is equally significant. By upholding financial transparency and accountability, it has helped bolster Canada's economic resilience and growth. In each of these countries, forensic accounting has proven to be more than just a means of unearthing financial irregularities. It's a catalyst for economic growth, a guardian of financial integrity, and a cornerstone of economic stability. By ensuring transparency and accountability, it encourages investment, boosts confidence, and ultimately fuels economic prosperity. The power of forensic accounting in fostering economic growth is undeniable. It's a tool that no nation can afford to ignore. As we move forward, it's clear that the role of forensic accounting will only continue to expand, becoming an ever more essential component of global economic growth.